Starting a YouTube channel used to be difficult. You needed a camera, editing skills, and confidence to show your face. But today, things have changed. You can now start a faceless YouTube channel using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. And you don't need any experience. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Let's get started. First, choose your niche. Your niche is simply the topic your channel will focus on. Choosing the right niche is very important because it helps you grow faster on YouTube. Here are some popular faceless YouTube niches you can start today. AI tools make money online: motivation videos, top 5 videos, tech videos, facts videos, finance tips, health tips. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with AI tools or make money online. These niches are growing fast and are easy to create using AI. Once you choose your niche, the next step is to create your script using AI. You don't need to write everything yourself. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate your script. Simply type something like, "Write a 4-minute YouTube script about AI tools for beginners." Within seconds, the AI will generate a full script for you. This saves you time and makes content creation easier. After getting your script, the next step is to generate your voice. You don't need to record your voice. You can use AI text-to-speech tools to create a professional voice. Some popular tools include Pictory, CapCut, 11 Labs, and Play HT. Simply paste your script into the tool and choose a voice. Then generate and download your audio. Make sure you choose a clear and natural-sounding voice. This makes your video more engaging and professional. Now that you have your voice, the next step is to create your video. This is where AI makes things even easier. You can use tools like Pictory, Canva, CapCut, or InVideo. Simply upload your script or your voice. The AI will automatically add stock videos, text, and visuals. This means you don't need any editing skills. Everything is done automatically. After creating your video, the next step is to add background music. Background music makes your video more interesting and professional. Choose soft and calm background music. Make sure the music is low so your voice is clear. You can find free background music inside CapCut, Canva, or the YouTube audio library. Now your video is ready. The final step is to upload your video to YouTube. When uploading, make sure you add a catchy title. Also write a simple description. Add relevant tags. And create an eye-catching thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very important because it helps people click on your video. Use bold text and simple designs. Now here are some beginner tips to help you grow faster. Upload at least 3 videos every week. Keep your videos between 3 to 5 minutes. Use simple thumbnails. Stay consistent. Don't worry if your first videos don't get many views. Every successful YouTuber started from zero. Consistency is the key to success. Faceless YouTube channels are one of the easiest ways to make money online. And with AI, starting has never been easier. You can start today using just your phone. So take action now and start your faceless YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.